There is something in your kitchen right now, something you've been using every single day, something that looks harmless, even healthy, because the label says heart-friendly, light, or cholesterol-free. But this ingredient is destroying your health quietly, slowly, and deeply. I'm talking about seed oils, canola oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, corn oil, vegetable oil. These oils are in your fried food, in your snacks, in your bread, and almost every meal at restaurants and fast food places. And the worst part? You don't taste it, you don't smell it, you don't feel it happening. But inside your body, something is changing. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what seed oils do inside you. And once you understand this, you will never look at food the same way again. Section 1. The Deception. Ill for decades. Seed oils have been marketed as the healthy alternative to butter and natural fats. They said these oils were heart-friendly, low cholesterol, and good for your diet. But the truth? These oils were never meant for human consumption. Let's make this very clear. These oils come from seeds that do not naturally release oil. You have to chemically force the oil out. To produce them, companies use high heat, industrial pressure, chemical solvents, and in many cases, a chemical called hexane, the same substance used in glue factories. Then they bleach it, deodorize it, color it, until it looks like food. But it's not food. It's a manufactured industrial substance. And this is what we cook our meals with every single day. Pause. Let the message sink in. Section 2. The real problem is not the oil itself. The real danger is what happens to these oils when they are heated. Many people think that oil is just oil, but cooking oil is chemistry. Seed oils are made of something called polyunsaturated fats, or PUFAs. Here's the problem. These fats are extremely unstable, which means when you heat them, even just once, they break apart and oxidize. And oxidation is just another word for rotting, spoiling, corroding, breaking down. Inside your body, oxidized oils turn into toxic compounds that cause inflammation in your cells, damage to your arteries, stress on your liver, hormonal imbalance, premature aging, and chronic fatigue. And inflammation is the silent driver behind nearly every major health condition today. Heart disease, stroke, diabetes, Alzheimer's, arthritis, depression, autoimmune disease. It doesn't happen in a day. It happens slowly, meal by meal, year by year, until one day you wake up and say, I don't feel like myself anymore. You feel heavy, tired, inflamed, swollen, but your doctor says everything is normal. Section 3. Why this affects almost everyone. This is where it becomes overwhelming. Seed oils are in almost everything sold in grocery stores today. Read your labels. You'll find them in chips, instant noodles, bread, salad dressings, crackers, frozen meals, restaurant food, fast food, protein bars, coffee creamers, mayo, sauces, even healthy foods like hummus and almond butter. And the reason? They're cheap. They extend shelf life, and they make food taste artificially satisfying. Your brain gets hooked. Your cells pay the price. This is not just a diet issue. This is a public health crisis, and almost no one knows. Pause. Let the weight land. Section 4. What happens inside your body? Let's look inside your body. Imagine your cells are tiny little fire-burning engines. They need clean fuel to function. But when you eat oxidized seed oils, the fuel becomes smoke. Your cells struggle to breathe. Mitochondria, your energy generators, begin to slow down. Your metabolism crashes, your hormones weaken, your immune system becomes confused. This is why people wake up tired even after sleeping. This is why so many people feel brain fog, low mood, stress without reason, cravings they can't control, stubborn belly fat, skin breakouts, bloating. It's not that you're undisciplined. It's not that you're weak. Your body is fighting every meal and losing.